Snoring. It was asleep.
Uh-oh. Probably had toxins.
Wow, 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 wow.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Silhouette Valley? Sure. Beyond a shadow of a doubt. Have fun. What? Get out my face. I'm going to see...
So there, man. Don't worry, be patient. In some video preview to give it Season 3 Part 2 will come, but be patient.
This gunshot defeat is enhanced with it, Chew. A bark of wind. Your piece shaking and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass car's train whistle, select the main menu how to basic at any time. Oh no, we'll begin in a moment. I'm going insane because of the train.
We are working to correct an issue that is causing some servers to be degraded and unavailable.
So, do I watch the collab now, or do I wait for the full series video to air?
Maybe it just needs more glitter.
No, Ben. We tried to mend it, but it didn't work.
We'll just have to ask Nanny Plum for a spell.
We need something shiny that can bounce sunlight into the cave. What do we have that's shiny?
Guess what, guys? Bloopers 9 is coming soon.
All right, let's go to Nanny.
Well, are you ready for our trip today, Mr. Lazy?
Yes. Good job. You woke up Mr. Lazy's snoring again. What am I doing here?